Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for this week's nail art look, I did this drag marble kind of design with glitter, foil, as well as some striping tape, and even a little bit of chrome powder. So it's a lot going on, but if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. So I started off with Lachat's Perfect Match in the shade Heartthrob, just as a base for the glitter on my pinky. And this week I'm actually applying the glitter into the wet gel polish. So it's House of Pink Cakes by Twinkled. It's a holographic glitter. And I'm using the back of a cuticle pusher to just dust that over my nail, and then I cured it and then dusted off the excess ones that had been cured. And this just kind of gives it more reflective surface stuff. Anyway, next I'm using Madam Glam's Perfect White on my ring finger just as a base for the drag marble. And then I did stripes of different colors across that. So one of the colors was Madam Glam Rose, as well as the pink color I just used, and some of the glitter mixed with base coat. So I just layered those into horizontal stripes. They don't have to be perfect because they're going to be dragged later, drag marbled. I don't really know, guys. Anyway, I'm going to make 3 lines going up and then 3 going down. And then I cleaned it up and cured that nail. And then I'm using Madam Glam's Perfect Black. So I use this color on my middle finger and my pointer finger just as a base for the foil and for the striping tape. So once I applied that, on my pointer finger I applied foil directly into the cured tacky layer. So I just pressed it down and then ripped it off like a band-aid, leaving the foil behind. And then I cleaned up the excess. And then I'm taking No Wipe Top Gel on my middle finger because I'm going to be putting on some chrome powder in a minute. So before I do the chrome powder, I'm taking some pink striping tape and I'm applying that in an X pattern. And then I did 2 lines across the top. And then just position it so there's 2 little triangles to fill in the chrome powder. And then I trim the excess, leaving a little border around all of the edges so it'll last longer. And then make sure everything is pushed down and secure so it doesn't lift. And then I applied another layer of top coat to make sure everything is secure, and it'll be a lot easier to do the chrome powder if there's a layer of top coat over this and it's smooth. So next I'm using Luxachrome, and then I took my silicone applicator tool just to fill in the little triangles. And this doesn't have to be precise because we will clean it up later before we top coat, so just make sure the triangle areas look like how you want them to. So once you get that all rubbed in, just dust off the excess. And then take some No Wipe Top Gel on a detail brush and use that to fill in the triangles, because anything you cover in top coat, the chrome will stay. And anything you don't cover in top coat, it'll wipe off when you use rubbing alcohol. So you can see right here, now we're left with a lot more precise triangles. And I'm taking Madam Glam's Top Gel, just the regular one. And I top coated all of my nails, and on the pinky you're going to need 2 coats. And if the glitter's still gritty, you can just wipe off with rubbing alcohol, buff it, and then top coat again. So I think I just did 2 coats on this one. Anyway, so just make sure all your nails are top coated. And then I removed the tacky layer, and then I was going to add some studs and rhinestones to the bottom of my pointer finger. So I'm using some base gel that I just applied to the base of my nail with a dotting tool for this. And then I picked up some rhinestones. I did one that was slightly bigger in the middle, and then 2 littler ones on the sides, and then 6 little metal beads. 2 on the bottom, 2 on the sides, and then 2 on the top. As you can see, you can just mess with it until you're happy and then cure it. Once that's cured, remove that tacky layer, and then that is it for this week's nail art look. I think it's super cute, and there's a lot of elements going on here, so if you want to create this look, you can check out the product links in the description bar below. And thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!